Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon, Miss.
So today we are going to do evaluation. I will ask from the vocabulary list for this week and from the homework. And maybe some of them later will be CP question because I see here there are only around two, yeah?
Yes.
Vocabulary list.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so can you please explain drop?
Drop.
Computer, yeah?
Okay. When we letting pull down something from our hand, for example, if we hold the bottle but suddenly we letting pull down the bottle.
Drag?
Track. Pulling. Pulling across something.
Pulling something.
Oh yes, miss. Pulling something from a ground. Yes.
Okay, additional explanation.
For example, I drag the pot and move other side. Yes.
Okay. Next, we move to IPAS. Okay, IPAS, there is no yes vocabulary. So what are you doing for IPAS?
For IPAS,
Apa yang?
can I speak? Service?
Iya.
For IPAS kita punya aktivitas spesial Miss itu di hari Jumat, karena di hari Rabunya kita mereview semua dulu semua pelajaran di satu bab, dan itu pelajaran tentang pelajaran 5 tentang tanaman di sekitar kita. Nah, kegiatan aktivitas spesialnya itu di hari Jumat kita melakukan bagaimana cara merawat tanaman dengan baik. Kita akan melakukan itu, memvideokan siswa. Pertama kita akan memberikan contohnya dulu, Miss. Bagaimana cara merawat tanaman yang baik, yaitu membuang daun-daun yang layu, mencabut rumput-rumput liarnya, memberikan pupuk dan menyiramnya. Nah, nanti mereka mengikuti cara yang telah dicontohkan oleh guru dan kita akan rekam mereka, Miss.
Satu persatu.
Iya. Enggak, Miss, per kelompok. Satu kelompok itu terdiri dari 3 orang.
Okay, now we move to health education. There is no vocabulary also. So what will you do?
For health education, actually, last day on
Monday?
Monday, yes, on Monday. The special activity there, we asked them to draw a teeth that has germs.
Teeth, you mean teeth?
Yes, teeth.
Not teach.
Teeth. Oh yes, teeth. Okay. We asked them to draw teeth, and has so many germs there.
Inside the teeth?
Yes, inside the teeth, and then ask them to explain what happened with the teeth if it has so many germs there. Ask them to explain one by one.
So you ask them to draw?
Yes, ask them to draw and ask them to explain in front of the class. And then ask them also give the solution how to take care their teeth.
For English, what did you do?
For English, today, sorry, Miss, about some activities during holiday. In a special activity, same like health education, actually, ask them to draw something, some activities during holiday.
Draw
and
what?
draw about some activities that
Oh.
they can do during holiday, like playing tennis, like play soccer, go swimming, go sledding, or go skiing. But I don't know where is it go skiing or go sledding, but it's up to them. And then they can draw in summary point. Exercise book, their exercise book. There is.
Science?
Okay, science has special activity also. Tomorrow actually means because today just review all the lesson in chapter 6 about sounds. Tomorrow we will make some activity about how to detect the sound. Use a plastic cup and straw.
That's true.
Yes, straw. And then I will ask two students to do the activity and ask them to write the information that they get from there. Like this.
Take turn.
Take turns.
So a person will talk, will say
Yes.
something, and then later she or he will get his turn or her turn to hear.
Hear the sound from the straw and plastic cup. That is- Actually, we need a can like this, but it's so dangerous for them. So we just use a plastic cup.
Why is dangerous?
So sharp, right? Can
Yeah.
so sharp. I think.
That's why you use plastic
Cup.
cup. Is it effective?
Yes, Miss. We are as a primary one teacher already try it and it's bekerja. It's work.
Run well.
Yes, it's worked well.
It run well.
Run well, yes, Miss.
It was working. That one.
Yes, it was working. Yes, Miss.
The voice. So the voice can be transferred
Can.
even only through the plastic cup.
Yes, Miss.
Can we move to PPKN? Paket. Apa itu paket?
Paket itu benda yang dibungkus rapi. Nah, biasanya paket ini dikirim ke suatu tempat atau ke seseorang yang memerlukannya.
Contohnya?
Contohnya misalnya paket buku yang dipesan oleh suatu sekolah dan dikirim ke sekolah itu.
Satpam?
Satpam orang yang menjaga keamanan. Tapi biasanya satpam ini juga bisa membantu orang yang memerlukan bantuan atau membuat lingkungan sekitar itu menjadi aman dan nyaman.
Okay. Now we move to homework. What happens if we don't get enough time to sleep?
We will hire an irritable.
What do you need to sleep well?
We need a cool and neat room, and we need also blanket or pajamas, and clean blanket also.
Pajamas is comfortable sleepwear to sleep. Is it true?
Sorry, Miss.
Pajamas is comfortable sleepwear to sleep. Is it true?
Is it true? Because
It's true.
yeah, it's
Why?
true. Because pajamas is not tight, so when we wear the pajamas for sleep, it make our body so comfortable.
When I do sometimes the class visit right in the class, Miss, sometimes I hear you say, is it true? When you want to say your statement, That's question actually. When you want to ask, you say, is it true? It is a question.
Oh yes.
So when you want to say a statement like, yes, it's true. So it is true, not is it true. That's different.
Yes.
So when you want to ask, you say is
It's
first.
true.
Is it true? That's question.
It's question.
But when you want to say, oh yes, Julian, it is
It's
true.
true.
Not is it true? No,
Yes.
it is true. It is true. Like that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Now we move. Germs. Actually, germs are supposed to be are right because germs, many of them, right? Except only germ. Germ is, but if germs, I think are
Because has.
as.
Yes.
Yes, that's plural. Germs
Plural, yes.
are.
Germs are, but there is.
Yeah, germs is. Yes, right.
Wrong.
So I mean, be careful for the singular and plural noun.
Yes. The grammar is.
Okay, now we move to bahasa Indonesia.
Okay.
Yang disebut orang tua dalam keluarga itu siapa?
And ayah, ibu. Ayah dan ibu.
Ini bagaimana cerita tentang Hadi ini? Apa yang dilakukan Hadi?
Apa yang dilakukan Hadi? Maksudnya from the picture, Miss. But I don't know the picture. What is that?
Oh, this is not story. Ini nggak cerita ya?
Yes, Miss.
Berarti hanya gambar saja ini ya.
Berdasarkan gambar, Miss.
Kita lihatkan dulu. Siapa itu kepala keluarga?
Ayah dan ibu.
Keluarga terdiri dari apa saja?
Ayah, ibu, dan anak.
Anak. Ini memasangkan pernyataan. Nafkah. Pasangannya itu apa? Nafkah itu apa, Miss?
Nafkah. Sesuatu tanggungan.
Ini berhubungan dengan keluarga ya?
Iya. Suatu tanggungan yang dibutuhkan oleh anggota keluarga, dan tanggungan itu harus dipenuhi.
Itu nafkah. Ya.
According to me.
Ini ini loh di bahasa Indonesia loh. Rukun?
Rukun itu suatu kondisi di mana keluarga, ayah dan ibu itu saling menghargai. Atau anak yang patuh terhadap orang tuanya, atau misalnya kakak dan adik saling membantu, saling menyayangi, seperti itu. Berdoa kegiatan bersyukur kepada Tuhan sebelum melakukan sesuatu ataupun setelah menerima sesuatu, atau bersyukur lagi. Different.
Semuanya beda loh, Miss.
Iya.
Tapi nggak apa-apa lah, masih masuk akal. Masih bisa diterima ya.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, now we move to computer. Two important functions of a mouse are
Clicking and scrolling.
what is click?
Click, press and releasing a button, like that, a button. And usually when we do the click here, we choose something, like open something, or drag drag something on the monitor.
Okay, what finger is placed on the left button?
Left button, index fingers.
This is about matching. Yeah.
Yes.
Scroll wheel.
Scroll wheel. Scroll wheel activity. A wheel make scroll up and down on the monitor.
What is the place? The scroll wheel.
In the center of the
Zigzag.
zigzag line up and down.
Code.
Code. Special word. Special word.
Special word.
No. What is that? No, it is. Code. Special.
Index finger.
Index finger. Index finger to left button. To press the left button. The function to press the left button.
Okay. Next, IPAS. Tumbuhan pemanjat itu apa, Miss?
Tumbuhan pemanjat itu tumbuhan yang membutuhkan penopang untuk dia tumbuh ke atas berdiri, karena tumbuhan pemanjat ini kan tumbuhnya ke atas nih, jadi dia butuh penopang, dan itu contohnya seperti daun sirih dan anggur. Jadi ketika tanaman itu dibilang tumbuhan pemanjat, dia membutuhkan penopang untuk menopang tanaman itu.
Tumbuhan semak apa bedanya, Miss?
Bedanya, tumbuhan semak itu tumbuhan yang memiliki cabang kayu tetapi lebih kecil dari tanaman pepohonan, dan biasanya kayunya ini juga kuat, Miss.
Serat yang dihasilkan dari tanaman kapas.
Kapas, Miss.
Apa aja tumbuhan yang hidup di darat dan di air, Miss?
Kalau tumbuhan di darat itu ada tumbuhan pepohonan, misalnya pohon mangga, pohon rambutan, ada semak. Semak itu ada mawar, ada kembang sepatu, tumbuhan merambat, itu tumbuhan merambat seperti labu, semangka, tumbuhan pemanjat, itu daun sirih dan anggur. Lalu tanaman di air itu ada eceng gondok dan teratai.
Batang tebu diolah untuk bahan apa?
Bahan minuman.
Jadi tumbuhan bunga-bungaan dapat dijadikan sebagai apa?
Tanaman hias.
Ini memasangkan tumbuhan berdasarkan manfaatnya. Kalau buah-buahan?
Buah-buahan itu sebagai sumber makanan.
Umbi-umbian?
Sebagai obat-obatan.
Bunga?
Sebagai tanaman hias.
Daun teh?
Sebagai bahan minuman.
Okay. Now we move to science. What is the source of sound from human?
Throat.
If we don't have any voice, how can we talk to others?
We usually use sign language.
By how?
Our hand make some code. We use our hand like this.
What happens to our ears if we hear loud sounds?
We can harm our ears.
How about lion? Quiet or loud?
Loud sound.
Television?
Quiet sound.
Firework?
Loud sound.
Violin?
Quiet sound.
What is the name for a person who investigates and solves cases?
Detective.
When can we hear a sound?
When the sound enter our ear.
Okay, now we move to English. What is the meaning of lake?
Lake a large body fresh water.
Mud,
Mud, wet soil, or soft dirt.
oke. Lalu untuk PPKN, bagaimana cara memperkenalkan diri dengan baik?
Dengan bahasa yang sopan, dengan bahasa yang sopan, suara yang jelas, dan sikap yang baik.
Apa yang harus kita lakukan dengan adanya perbedaan keragaman dengan teman?
Menghargai perbedaan keragaman tersebut.
Apa yang dimaksud dengan identitas?
Identitas itu ciri khas diri kita.
Apa yang kita lakukan terhadap teman yang memiliki terhadap teman yang memiliki disabilitas?
Menghargainya dan membantunya.
Okay, now to CP question, I will ask one or two. Can you mention two important functions of a mouse?
Scrolling and clicking.
What is the meaning of arrow on the monitor?
Arrow the meaning of arrow is called like mouse pointer. Mouse pointer is sign that can move on the monitor and show where is our position on the monitor.
Oke, PPKN. Mengapa kita harus saling menghargai karena adanya perbedaan dan keragaman?
Agar kita bisa menjaga kerukunan, menjaga hubungan baik dengan yang lain.
Alright, I think that's enough for the evaluation for today. Yeah,
Okay.
based on the question that I have asked, you could explain them all well. And I think in this evaluation, you pass, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes.